If you're setting up Google Fi and want to activate it using an eSIM, this quick tutorial walks you through the entire process, from checking device compatibility to getting your service up and running in minutes. So first off, you need to understand if your phone supports the eSIM functionality. So you just go to Fi Google Chrome compatibility. And in here, as you can see, we can check which models support eSIM. So in our case, as you can see, we have these. Apple, Google is going to be Google Pixel, HTC, Huawei, etc. So most people, well, the ones that use somewhat of a premium phone brand use either Apple, Samsung, or Google Pixel. Then you just download the Google Fi app. All right, you go to Google Fi Wireless, and in here we can start setting up. Then you tap Join Fi or Activate Fi, and then choose eSIM when it asks for SIM setup. Follow the prompts, Google Fi will check your phone and prepare an eSIM profile. And then your phone will show a pop-up to add the eSIM, and then on iPhone, tap Continue, then Add eSIM, and Done. On Android, for example, Pixel or Samsung, tap Download eSIM, Allow, and Activate. Then, back in the Google Fi app, wait for the activation complete message. The app may ask to enable Wi-Fi calling, set Fi as your default, or restart your phone. Once done, your Google Fi line is active. And that's how to activate Google Fi using eSIM, quick, simple, and no physical SIM card needed. If you want more mobile setup tutorials, subscribe for more.